NMI Virtual Terminal, a complete guide for business owners. Welcome. If you're a business owner looking to streamline payment processing, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll explore the NMI Virtual Terminal, a powerful tool designed to help you manage payments efficiently and securely. The NMI Virtual Terminal allows you to process credit card and ACH payments directly from your computer. It's perfect for businesses without a traditional point-of-sale system or those that operate remotely. This flexible solution lets you handle transactions with ease, offering a convenient alternative to in-person payments. One major advantage is that it requires no additional hardware. Simply log into your account, enter the customer's payment information, and process the transaction. Security is a top priority with NMI, as the platform complies with PCI standards, ensuring that sensitive customer data is handled safely. Customization is another great feature. You can tailor the virtual terminal to match your business needs, from setting up recurring billing to generating comprehensive reports. This allows you to maintain control over your cash flow and gain valuable insights into your sales patterns. The user-friendly interface means that you and your staff can quickly get up to speed, reducing the learning curve and allowing you to focus more on your core business operations. Additionally, the virtual terminal supports multi-user access, making it easy for team collaboration when needed. In summary, the NMI Virtual Terminal is a versatile and secure solution for businesses that want to efficiently manage online payments without the hassle of extra equipment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips and insights. Thank you for watching.